My dear students, everybody get ready. Drawing class will start shortly. My dear students, everybody show your drawing paper. Okay, now, my dear students, everybody try to draw step by step with me. Okay, look at the screen. Mark here, then mark here. After this, look first left side. Yes, like this. Now, touch this point, then slowly draw like this. My dear students, now everybody show you drawing this part. Yes, very nice. Okay, now look at the screen. Okay, try to draw nicely. My dear students, and now everybody show your drawing this part. Yes, very nice. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you, everyone. Now look at the screen. Use your red color. First border side. Again red color here. My dear students, now everybody show your drawing at the same time. Okay, very nice, very nice. Thank you, my dear students. Now, this is yellow color, yellow. So, we can use here yellow like this way. Then, we can use light green, light green. Use here red color like this way. Then use blue color here. My dear students, now everybody show your drawing at the same time. Yes, right now I can see all of your drawing. Thank you very much. My dear students, and now look at the screen. This is skin color. If you don't have skin color, then you can use similar color. Okay, look at the screen. Use here skin color this way. Then use red color here, like this way. Then use light blue color here, this way. Here, this way. And here, this way. After this, use brown color this way. But use very light pressure, like this. This. And after this, look at the screen. Here. Use here light green, like this way. And finally, everybody write your name here. Try to finish your artwork very nicely. Now everybody show your artwork with your face and with your beautiful smile. Yes, fantastic. My dear students, really your artwork is very nice. Please wait few seconds so that I can more instruction. I request you everybody post your artwork like this. Everybody post your artwork like this. Look, hold your artwork both hand, then ask your mom or dad to take a beautiful picture. And after this, please everybody post your artwork in our WhatsApp number so that I can more help you and support you. Thank you, my dear cute student. Today our drawing class ended here. See you next class. Goodbye. Take care.